Tuloy.
Iikot mo yung tao dito. Kain ka ng kain. Gagawin man ako, kain ka ng kain.
Movie. Popcorn.
Hindi naman mapahong movie. Comfort mo ko habang kumakain ka. Wala talaga makakapigil sa'yo kumain. It's not even a healthy body. It's not even good.
Kaya.
I don't know if it's okay for me to cry. It's hurting. My heart is hurting.
Don't cry, baby.
Kain ka pa? No. Dad, kapag may nagdadrama sa harapan mo, kain ka ng kain. Ito na lang kainin mo. Hindi, Daddy. Can you help me? Sobrang medyo malala na yung hilo ko. Kanina nag-pray tayo, nakaganon. Sobrang hilong-hilo na talaga.